Treasury bills versus high-yield savings account. At first, this seems like a simple cash question. Treasury bills sound safer and more serious. A high-yield savings account sounds easier and more flexible, so the instinct is to assume one of them is clearly better. But that is exactly where people make the wrong choice. The real difference is not just which one pays more.
It is what happens when rates move, when you need access fast, and when convenience quietly starts costing.
And the option that feels smarter at the start is not always the one that holds up best by the end. What really decides? The smartest way to compare these two is not to chase the highest headline yield. It is to look at access, predictability, and friction. In many cases, the better choice depends less on return alone and more on how soon you may need the money.
That is why this comparison matters so much for emergency funds, short-term savings, and parked cash. This is general and not financial or legal advice. One option usually wins on simplicity.
The other often wins on control. The part that matters most is knowing which trade-off you are actually making. Option 2, high-yield savings account, the easy favorite. A high-yield savings account usually wins on convenience. Your money stays liquid, transfers are familiar, and there is no learning curve for most people. That makes it a strong choice for an emergency fund or cash you may need without notice. It also feels cleaner in real life. You can check the balance, move money quickly, and avoid the extra step of buying and waiting for a treasury bill to mature. For many people, that simplicity is worth more than a slightly better return somewhere else. But there is a catch people often ignore. The rate is usually variable. If rates fall, your return can drop with them, and you do not control that time. Option 1, treasury bills, the quiet advantage. Treasury bills tend to stand out when you care about locking in a yield for a set period, instead of watching a savings rate change whenever the bank decides you know what you are getting if you hold the bill to maturity. That can make treasury bills feel more deliberate and, in many cases, more efficient for short-term cash you do not need tomorrow. They often appeal to people who want a little more structure and do not mind planning around a maturity date. The honest drawback is friction. Treasury bills are not difficult, but they are less effortless than a savings account.
If you need immediate access or hate managing timelines, that extra step can matter more than expected.
The tiebreaker most people miss. Here is the part that usually decides it. This is not really a battle between two rates. It is a battle between flexibility and commitment. A high-yield savings account is often better for money that needs to stay ready. Treasury bills are often better for money that can stay still for a defined window. That means the wrong choice is usually the one that does not match your timeline. If your cash has uncertainty around it, convenience matters more. If your cash has a clear time horizon, predictability starts to matter more than the better answer. So, treasury bills versus high-yield savings account, which one wins? If you want instant access and simplicity, the high-yield savings account usually makes more sense. If you want rate certainty for short-term parked cash, treasury bills often come out ahead. That was the hidden detail from the beginning. The better option is not the one that sounds smarter, it is the one that fits how soon you may need the money. And once you see that clearly, the choice gets a lot easier. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.